In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Gimp, a powerful free software used for editing images and creating graphics. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a bit of experience, this tutorial will guide you effortlessly through the process. Let's dive right in and ensure you can confidently align your text for that perfectly polished finish in all your projects. First, we'll start with the basics by opening Gimp. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to download it from the official Gimp website and install it on your computer. Once you have it up and running, launch the program. You'll see a variety of options and tools laid out for image editing. Don't be overwhelmed by its interface. It might look complex at first glance, but you'll get used to it in no time. Now, with Gimp open and ready to go, your next step is to create or open the image or canvas you want to work on. You can switch between different file types like JPEG, PNG, or even PSD if that suits your project better. If you're starting fresh, just head over to File in the top left corner and then click on New to create a new canvas, or Open if you have an existing image you'd like to use. With your image or canvas ready, it's time to add the text. To do this, locate the text tool in the Toolbox panel, usually found on the left side of your screen. It looks like a bold T. Once clicked, move your cursor over to your canvas and click again to initiate a text layer. Type in your desired text and don't worry if it doesn't yet look perfect. Now comes the critical part of our tutorial, centering your text. With your text still selected, you'll see some styling options usually displayed in a panel above or below your image window. Keep an eye out for text alignment options. Specifically, you want to focus on the center alignment. It's typically represented by an icon displaying centered lines. Click on this button to apply the centering command to your text. This will adjust your text automatically, ensuring it is beautifully centered within your text box. You're almost there. If you need to reposition the text box itself to make sure the text is perfectly centered within the entire image, you can use the Move tool. It's represented by a four-headed arrow icon in your toolbox. With your text layer selected, simply click and drag your text box around until it's centered to your satisfaction. And there you have it, a perfectly centered text using Gimp. This simple yet essential skill will enhance the overall look of your designs, making sure texts are not only readable but visually pleasing too. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials. Until next time, happy editing.